guys.
Hi.
How's it going? So today we're out again and it's like a really nice day. It's about 66 degrees out and it's the first day heading up this park for the first time. And as you can tell, the birds are out in full force today.
Got some geese
Yeah,
going.
says the geese, other side of the camera. So we're gonna see what we can find today and see how many birds we can document, because there's definitely a lot out here.
Yeah, finally some spring action.
Yes,
Go.
and very warm too. Can't complain. And there's been a chickadee buzzing around us right here in this location, so we're gonna try to get some good pictures of him right now. And I see him right now, he's on the bench, so we gotta go. Bye.
Oh, where'd he go? He's a little faster. He's so fast. He's so fast.
Alright, so we got a little update. We saw, what was it? It was a woodpecker, right? Going up the tree there.
Woodpecker, some red-winged blackbirds, chickadees, some other like little bluebirds. I don't really know what those were.
Yeah, I don't know what those are either, but we'll have to look it up and see.
Yeah, there's lots of birds out, which is really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Haven't really seen anything else. There was like a ton of hawks that were flying overhead, but we couldn't get it because the shot was so blown out. But
Yeah.
lots of cool stuff.
So we're gonna keep walking around and see what else is around. We're getting kind of hungry, so we'll see how much longer we can hold out here. But there's all sorts of birds now.
It's just nice that it's starting to get to the point where the animals are out and we can do our wildlife photography.
Yes.
So I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm sure you can hear a train in the background too. Sorry about that, but this park is like right outside of the city, so
Yeah, lots of geese too.
we're doing what we can.
Yeah.
All right, we will catch you in a little bit. Bye. Okay, so here we are, final check-in of the evening. So we saw some cool stuff today that we were not expecting.
We saw a woodpecker. We saw a hawk of some sort.
Yeah,
It might have been like a baby
yeah,
hawk.
we think it might have been a juvenile because it was kind of fluffy.
Yeah. We saw lots and lots of birds. And it was really fun.
Yeah, a lot of people out today because it's so warm. So we saw a lot of other photographers out here. So pretty cool.
Yeah, it was a good trip.
Mm-hmm. It's a little brown now. It's like a little, like, everything's kind of brown.
Yeah.
But
Some
other
of
than
the
that,
shots that I'm like happy that I got the shots, but like the background is just so blah that
yeah. Soon enough, though, this stuff will pop in. Nice and green.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another chickadee right over here to my left.
What? Oh.
Oh, okay, so maybe we have to go try real quick again, but we're just gonna say,
Yeah, so it was fun. It was a good exercise, but oh my god.
okay, we're gonna have to go.
But these are probably not the best photos because it's so brown out.
Okay, she's gonna try to get it. Oh my gosh, it's perched. Oh,
Oh, he's on the bench. He's on the bench.
Look at her. There she goes.
Oh yeah, work it, little chickadee. Work it. Oh, these are good. Okay.
There she goes. So we're about to head out of here. It's getting pretty dark, so we just wanted to say thank you all for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to leave any comments about anything. Give us a like if you like this video.
Yeah, please do.
And don't forget, you don't need water to make waves.
All right, bye.
Bye. So guys, this is a turkey. We were leaving and walking to the car, and a woman was walking with her dog, and
This giant turkey just flew out of nowhere. Now it's up in the tree, and we're like, will you please come down? But he's
so
like, no.
huge, and I didn't realize that turkeys could fly that high. I thought they were like chickens, like where they couldn't really fly.
Yeah, but he took off.
Yeah, he was like, oh,
Oh, I think he wants to come down.
is he?
His wing hit the branch, though.
Is he stuck up there?
Oh no, is he stuck?
He can't be stuck, can he?
Oh, jeez.
He got startled and flew up into this humongous tree.
I think he has to like jump and then start to fly.
Oh boy.